So it's the next morning in Yerevan, in Armenia. Didn't have the best night's sleep, to be honest. I actually feel I got really sore throat this morning. Like someone set the aircon room temperature to 24 degrees last night, and I was already tired from the night before, so I can't sleep when the room's too hot. Like, I like it to be cold and then a warm duvet, you know, it just feels better. When it's too hot, you just stay awake with a dry throat sweating. So I've technically checked out of my room. I'm still at the hostel though. I've got the train tonight at 9:30 PM to Tbilisi, where I sleep on it overnight, so I have to make my way to the train station for then. So I've got the whole day to kill really. Energy levels are quite low. I've eaten breakfast, it's fairly decent to be fair for a hostel, for free, so probably going to just keep hydrated, get ready for the train, get some food to have on board the train, and try and explore some more of Yerevan while I'm here. So I'm on my way to the train station now to catch the train. Well, I'm actually going to get the metro to try it out to the train station, and then get the train to Tbilisi. Didn't feel too well today, I still don't really, so that's why I didn't get to go out in Yerevan, but I'm going to go and do that now and get the metro. I speak English, huh? Yeah? How much is it? Yes. How much? Yeah? This? In here? Okay. Спасибо. Спасибо. Right. Have a bag. Спасибо. That is what you call excellent customer service. This is Yerevan station, railway station. Very Soviet-esque. I believe it was built back in the Soviet times, so let's go inside and see what the crack is. Sorry, I'm English. Just to say.
Ticket, Georgie?
I have one. Is this okay?
Time. This is in Tbilisi. Today.
Yeah.
Today, Tbilisi. Boarding 9.
No, okay. And this is ticket. This ticket's fine.
Онлайн ticket.
Okay.
Онлайн ticket.
Спасибо.
Вы говорите на русском?
No.
Нет.
No.
На русском. 372. 12. Это что? $21:30. Вот это.
Okay. Спасибо.
Вот это Джорджи.
Thank you. Just waiting to board my train now in the Yerevan. I believe the boarding starts at 9 o'clock, so that is in about half an hour. The train leaves at 9:30, so just looking forward to getting on board and seeing where I'll be sleeping. I think I paid £40, so I've no idea whether I'm sharing or I have my own private cabin. So yeah, looking forward to seeing. I'm not sure what time the border check is either. I think it's going to be a very annoying time in the morning, very inconvenient time in the morning, because of where the border location is, closer to Tbilisi than Yerevan. So we shall see. But looking forward to the experience, and it's much better than flying in terms of, you know, an experience, traveller's experience. And also you save the night on the hotel because you stay on it overnight. So looking forward to seeing what happens. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Электронный, да?
Yeah.
1 minute, sorry.
No problem.
Извините. Красноят. Passport. Where are you from?
Ireland.
Ireland?
Irlanda, yeah.
İrlandiya.
Yeah.
İrlandiya. Մի վարքյան, ես վերցրեք, ես մեկից,
Спасибо.
Пожалуйста.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Ciao. So,
У вас электронный, да?
yeah.
Ирландия, че? Ирланд?
Yeah, that'd be it.
Thank you.
See, these are here on the Armenian customs service security tab, so if they're ripped they'll be able to tell when they come on board and do the inspection in case anyone's trying to smuggle anything up there. It's quite interesting. Here's a little tour of the compartment I've got. So we've got this little foldable table, a couple of plug sockets down there, this seat which kind of transforms into a bed. I assume this is another one up here which they can convert if they want 4 people in a room. You can get an amenity kit, slippers, toothbrush, toothpaste. There are showers on this train as well that you can use. There's the bedding, pillows. This folds to become a bed. Like, let's see. Okay, there we go. So it just unhooks and then this transforms into a bed. I'm not sure what all this is for. I guess you just unhook that. But to be fair, you know, I don't really see the massive benefit of that over this. It doesn't look particularly comfortable, but we shall see. So that's a bed made and ready to go. It looks pretty cozy. So yeah, all of these rooms have this revenue protection thing. Who knows? Maybe there's even a hidden camera up there. Can't be too careful. So my passport stamped, had to get off the train for it. But officially in Georgia. It's like 4 AM as well.
Կանա եդեշտելուշ կրապ լոխ կնստի։ Ավակը։ Ավակը արդեն դերեք կծելած։